1 minus 6 equals negative 5. And again here inside this parenthesis we have 1 minus 6. So negative 5 times negative 5 gives us positive 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay? Inside this parentheses, we have 1 minus 6, which gives us negative 5. So 1 minus 6 then times negative 5. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 6 times negative 5 gives us negative 30. So 1 minus negative 30. Negative times negative gives us positive. So 1 plus 30, which equals 31. And this is our final answer to this problem.